Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing a big old budget vegan food shop. We're heading to Aldi.
This is just your regular weekly food shop and it's going to cover 5 days, but it's not just a normal food shop. It is going to be going along with the next video that we've got coming up, which is a weekly meal plan where 90% of the things that you get are going to be coming from Aldi.
The next video is going to be a what I eat in a week based off of this food shop, and we're going to try and keep it budget, vegan obviously, but like
new vegan friendly, easy recipe.
Friendly, yeah. Obviously we know a lot of you guys have been with us for a while and aren't new vegans, and even new people that are finding us probably have been vegan for a while. But it is Veganuary, so we're doing quite a lot of Veganuary focused content, but hopefully stuff that people who've been around for a while will still enjoy.
It should inspire you anyway.
Yes,
fingers
hopefully.
Crossed.
So yeah, we've done our shopping list, we're ready to go, and yeah, gonna hit up Aldi, and also we are going to be looking at some of their like special Veganuary products as well.
Let's go. What's them? Wow, good thing I like potatoes. We've got this funky looking squash, but we actually think it might be really good for the tart that we're making, to get lots of slices out of this top bit. What have you found then?
No pulled pork, no pulled...
Are they like ready meals or are they just like meats?
No, it's like pulled stuff to make into things.
So they're like, they're ingredients?
Yeah, like that's like pulled beef that you can like cook up into something. Crofton neck, so that will have spices in. That's like steak, the juicy marbles type thing.
They're $6.99 each though, so fair whack.
There's these little roasting joints.
It's a bunch of burgers and stuff. I mean, like nothing that new. We've seen loads of vegan burgers here in the past. We have just come out of Aldi after doing the shop, and it's surprisingly cheap when you make your whole meal plan based off of like mainly Aldi stuff. We've got what, like 90% of the food we're gonna eat?
Yeah, we've done. It's been a while since we've done a whole meal plan where we've thought about, can we buy this at Aldi? Also, it is because it's Veganuary, there's lots of extra things in Aldi which they don't normally have, which we then have to go to other shops for. So it was really nice just being like, we can get the cheese here, we can get the cream here, like all the stuff they don't normally have.
So how much did we spend then? Let the people know.
We spent £49.98.
Under 50 quid?
50 quid for 2 people for
5
a week.
days, basically.
I think it's really good, and we bought some additional non-food items as well, like some household items.
Just life bits.
Some vitamins.
We got shampoo. We've used up all of the normal shampoo, and
you need to wash your hair.
now only your fancy stuff is left. I'm not allowed to use the fancy stuff.
Well, it's for curly hair, and you don't have curly hair. We also got washing up liquid, olive oil as part of that as well, and we got a really nice candle.
Well, there you go.
So I actually think that's a really good, that's not just food.
So if you focused on just food, it would be under 40 quid.
Yeah, so obviously this doesn't include Saturday and Sunday, but we never really include them because you maybe are like going over to a friend's for dinner, or you're going out for a meal, or you've got leftovers, or you know,
it's the Monday to Friday that
having
is
brunch
like
out.
the main cooking at home days.
Yes, and then also food doesn't really last to the weekend, and often we like to be a bit more spontaneous and kind of like
whatever we feel like on the weekend.
Exactly.
But that's it. Yeah, we've got basically everything we need for a whole delicious week of meals.
I'm looking forward to these recipes. There's some really good recipes in there. really nice mix of like healthy, warming and hearty. We've tried to make it quite seasonal as well.
There is so much good produce this time of year, like beetroots, apples, Brussels sprouts, although we've not gone for them.
No, but I have got a really good recipe idea for the Brussels sprouts, which I want to save for a
teaser for
yeah.
Yeah, so stick around on our channel, hit subscribe and stick around for that.
We've gone full on the winter veg, like the leeks and the cauliflowers and all of those things.
Should we drive off home and get this into the fridge and cupboards?
Yes.
All right.
Take you through some of our meal ideas.
Yes, see you guys at home. And that's the end of that.
We've unpacked everything and it's a good amount of stuff here. I'll probably talk you through a few different meals. So I'll start off with breakfast. We're doing a scrambled tofu on toast, but a little bit of a different one. We normally go for just firm or just silken tofu, but we've done a new little concoction where we mix the two together. So that's one breakfast. We're doing a baked oats, which we're doing with the pears, so that's going to be a nice little seasonal oats dish. Lunches, we're doing a puff pastry winter tart, so we're going to do like a beetroot and squash tart with like a nice tofu ricotta base to it. So again, it's like the seasonal thing we were talking about. That's one lunch. Then we're going to be doing a tray bake with beetroot, red cabbage, miso, black bean, and it's kind of like Asian inspired. We've also got a cauliflower and white bean soup, which is one of our absolute faves. So we're using cannellini beans, cauliflower, and then we like to add a bit of vegan cream. And luckily, like I was saying, because it's Veganuary, they had this in store, so that's great. Otherwise, your Sainsbury's, Tesco, whatever, will sell vegan cream all year round. I know it's not Aldi, but can't always get everything from Aldi. And then dinners, we're doing a really delicious lentil ragu. We had loads of walnuts already left over from Christmas, so we didn't buy them today. And nuts often can add quite a bit of extra money to your food shop, so maybe that's why it was a little bit cheaper this week. They had a few different specially selected pastas in Aldi, which they don't normally have, so that was nice. So we went for a linguine to have with our ragu, and then the next time we have it in the week, we're gonna do it with some gnocchi. So yeah, it's just a little bit different and
switch it up.
And then the other two dinners are a sweet sticky ginger tofu, which is one of our favourite things. That you know how much we love tofu. And then we're going to be doing a pie. So we've got some vegan chicken in the freezer from ages ago, and then we're going to do mushrooms, leeks, lots of things with like a pastry topping. And then I was going to say next week, but it's this week. We're going to be eating it this week, and then we're filming everything we eat, and we'll show you that after you watch this video. The next one coming out will be the what we eat in a week. Budget, vegan, Veganuary, Aldi, food shop. So yeah, I think we should get this all packed away.
If you want to see the meal plan, then wait until the next video, the what I eat in a week. We will publish it alongside that for you guys to follow along with. We hope you guys have enjoyed coming along with us to Aldi. If you're a new vegan and you haven't been to Aldi yet, or haven't been to Aldi as a vegan at least, we hope we've inspired you a little bit.
Yeah, we'd like to know if any of you watching are doing Veganuary, or recently turned vegan, or recently kind of delving into the like vegan world and wanting to eat more plant-based. We definitely recommend Aldi.
Yes, 100%.
And yeah, we'd love to know your thoughts. Have you done your first vegan food shop yet? Probably have, because it's the 6th today. So if you are doing Veganuary, you probably would have had to go to the shops already. But yeah.
If you're a new vegan or not, I recommend you watch our one recipe that we would recommend everyone cooks.
The ultimate vegan recipe.
And hit subscribe, because you don't want to miss any more content we've got coming up, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.